Well then, throw it in the fridge!
But my single-door refrigerator doesn't have any room.
Well, with our brand new PX900 stainless steel exterior fridge, you'll be able to store all the food you want whenever.
What's that my ice cream?
It's got a freezer too.
Whoa! Well, I'm always talking Donkey Park. Does it have water?
It has a fountain.
Really? But the water's too hot in the fridge.
Well, guess what, Goldilocks? You can set the water to whatever temperature you want. In fact, you can even put ice and adjust the ice. You can have crushed, uncrushed, or no ice at all.
Really?
Yeah.
What if I want to listen to my music while I...
It has Alexa with it too, so you can jam out to whatever groovy jams you want.
Well, how much is this refrigerator?
This refrigerator is selling for the low price of $9.99, and it's 100% off on Black Friday.